Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 1 to 3 high-impact tasks and committing to action now. Combine basic prerequisites, required files, one device, and a quick note, then launch a focus session. Set a 25 to 50-minute timer and clear your top 3 distractions: phone, notifications, email. Once you start, do the simplest, meaningful step first to build momentum. This prevents planning paralysis and forces progress. So make sure to keep outputs minimal and tangible before moving to deeper work. You now enter the core execution. Split each major task into 15 to 30-minute subblocks with a single measurable outcome. Batch similar actions together, emails, calls, and edits, because grouping reduces context switching and often saves 20 to 40% of time. Use the 2-minute rule for tiny tasks. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Once done with a block, review progress briefly, adjust the next block, and protect your deep work windows against. You finish by allocating 10 to 20 minutes for review, polish, and clear formatting so deliverables are usable. Make one explicit follow-up. Decide the next step, set a deadline, and assign an owner, even if that owner is you. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Pause, identify the root cause quickly, apply one corrective action, and log the issue to prevent repeats. Finally, capture a 3-point lesson learned so future cycles run smoother, faster, and with less friction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.